So friends, let's see this very easy recipe of Alu Vadi. So first we are going to prepare or prep the leaves. Now these are called Colocasia leaves or Alu leaves, and they are available only in the monsoons. And you get two types of leaf, one is for the Bhaji and one is for the Vadi. So now first we are going to cut off the stems, and then we are going to wash the leaves really well and then wipe them completely dry. So when you're buying these leaves, you tell the vendor that I want the leaves for the Vadi, because there's a Bhaji recipe also which I'll be uploading soon. So this is for the Vadi. Now let's look at the ingredients we're going to use. So we require for each Vadi around 5 to 6 leaves, 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds or cumin seeds, a lime-sized ball of tamarind soaked in a glass of warm water for about say 10 or 15 minutes, and then we are going to extract the juice or the pulp. Now we are going to also use 2 tablespoons of white jaggery or ghul, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, and some salt to taste. So all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now first I'm going to add the besan as well as the rice flour to a big bowl. Take a large bowl. Then we're going to add the cumin seeds or the jeera. We're going to add the red chili powder. Now you can adjust the red chili powder according to how spicy you like it. I'm going with around 1.5 teaspoon. And we're going to add some turmeric powder for that lovely color, and for the medicinal quality of turmeric, and some salt to taste. Now first we're going to mix all the dry ingredients really well together. Now what I like to do is I like to soak this jaggery in some warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes, because it becomes easier to mix it up with the rest of the ingredients. And then just crush up the jaggery or the ghul, add the tamarind pulp or the tamarind water, and you're going to mix everything really well. So when you soak this ghul or this jaggery in warm water, it easily cracks up or breaks up, and then you get this lovely paste. Now the paste should be something which is spreadable and a little bit like a thick bhaji paste. When you're making batata bhaji, the consistency, that is the same consistency we are looking for, a very thick consistency. Now you're going to take the largest of all the leaves that you have in that particular bunch, and you're going to put it on the reverse side, and then on the veins of the leaf in the same direction you're going to put the paste. Now you can put as much or as little as you like, but I suggest that you be generous with the paste. Sometimes you might have to make the paste again depending on the size of the leaves, and these are really large leaves that I have. Now you're going to take the next leaf and put it on the exact opposite side, but again you're going to use the reverse of the leaf, not the smooth part of the leaf, the rough part of the leaf, the opposite side. But you're going to place all the leaves in the bunch in this particular fashion. You will see the reason why. Now I'll take the next leaf. Now see how I'm placing it exactly on the opposite side. Now all the leaves might not be of the same size, so just take it in the order of the largest to the smallest. So this is the last leaf. Mostly there are about 4 to 5 leaves in each bunch. Now what I'm going to do is once I've applied the paste, I'm going to fold the edge like this. What we're trying to target is we're trying to get a rectangle, because we have to fold this into a roll. So when you fold that, on top of that also put the paste, because this is the paste or the masala, whatever this masalas that we've added, the spices, the tamarind, that is the actual essence of this vadi. That is what gives the vadi the actual taste, along with the taste of the leaves. So the two together are just amazing. So now again fold the other side, again apply that paste. Now sometimes you get really small leaves, sometimes you get big leaves, or you can even choose if you want one single small one, or you want more, depending on the how much of a vadi you want, big or small. And now once you have done this part of applying and getting, as you can see, it's like almost like a rectangle. Now you're going to fold it like this first, and then you're going to tightly roll this into a roll. It should be a round roll. So if you're very new to it, It will take for some time, to practice. And you will hear the cracking of the center vein of the leaf. That's completely okay. But just be a little careful, just be a little gentle. You can also use a sushi mat for this. And then again close the top end like this and then roll it over the top end. Like that. And keep it as tight as possible. So this is our first roll. Now I had 2 bunches of alu leaves. So I'm doing it with the second bunch. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to prepare my steamer by putting water into the steamer, let it come to a boil. Then I'm going to put this perforated lid and I'm going to put a napkin which I've wetted a bit, and then I'm going to place these, and for 5 minutes you're going to keep the steamer on a high, and then you're going to lower the flame after 5 minutes to the lowest possible and steam for 20 minutes on the lowest possible flame. Once the 20 minutes are over, you're going to take it out immediately and keep it on a glass plate or a steel plate to cool. This is what it will look like when it's completely steamed. And then once it has completely cooled, cut it to the size that you like. We like it very thin at our place. You can cut it thick also. And then you can eat it like this also, completely without oil, or you can just shallow fry them to nice and until it's nice and crispy. So if you don't want to fry them, you can eat them just steamed. And if you like it crispy and fried, then you can fry them. So I hope you try out this recipe. Look how crispy they are. I'm going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.